Welcome to ClubExpress. Today, we'll look at how to create emails for your event. To start, open the Emails panel in your Events module. Choose the Edit icon. This is where you can customize confirmation and reminder emails. First, let's look at confirmation emails. This will automatically send after a person registers for your event. Add any important information you want them to know after they register. Remember, for paid events, a confirmation email is sent before payment is made, with a separate email once payment is complete. Use this option if you want everyone who registers to see the information, regardless of payment status. Next, let's set up reminder emails. ClubExpress lets you schedule up to 2 automatic reminder emails. You can choose to send reminders to all active members or just to registered attendees. After selecting each box, more options appear where you can enter the dates you want each reminder to automatically send. When your email settings are complete, choose Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've set up emails for your event in ClubExpress.